Okay, I'm with my beautiful daughter today, and we are at Goodwill. Trying to see what kind of deals we can get.
Looking for a comforter.
Yeah, hopefully we'll find one. Alrighty, come shop with us.
Nice. Oh my god.
I usually find some really good deals in here. This is a good one.
The Disney cups. That's cute.
Oh,
For a collection.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, they've got some still in the containers.
What's the price on these? Oh, they only $2.
Pocahontas, Beauty and the Beast. Oh, all kinds of them.
Even Peter Pan.
Cool.
Jason Darius's Room Queen to Lion King.
Everything's kind of sparse. Yeah.
He's a pinch mat. Put stuff on.
Yeah, you could actually use that as a headboard for a twin bed. That's cute. Mind your way.
No, you're good.
Let's see. Lots of collectibles. Oh, those are pretty. $4.99. And they are a set. Cute.
Get this.
You like that?
Looks old. I don't know why I like old stuff.
It's pretty. Some unique vases. This is kind of unique. $3.99. Oh, it'd be pretty for some flowers.
Like a lantern or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a, this one actually comes with the little.
They already got the little stones in it.
The green or yellow meat.
Huh?
That green and yellow plates over here.
Yeah, those are pretty. You got the orange and the purple. Pretty. This is pretty.
Probably can go into the bathroom. $3.
Yeah, a little organizer thing.
Definitely need to be clean.
Yeah, it's kind of dusty.
They got something perfect for Dad.
Oh, no, he doesn't need that. I'm trying to get rid of the VHSs. He's going to find them missing one day.
Candle? It is. Like, who would ever want to like that?
Well, it's a pretty basket.
Why didn't they glaze it?
Yeah, it looks like it was painted. But it's pretty. Canister set. I like the pretty blues.
Good job.
Excuse me. Easter stuff. Big bunnies. That's pretty.
Got these different sizes stones. Oh no, that's
Those look like they're sconces or candles.
yeah, we got a little bench, a little desk for the kids.
Mm-hmm. Over here in the corner. Mm, doesn't look like they've got too many.
No, no. This one don't look half bad. Just wish it was a different color.
Brown and black.
That's what this one is?
Mm-hmm. How much is that one?
I don't see the tag. Oh, here go one. Oh, nope, that's not a tag either. It's large, though. I wonder how much they cost. Definitely
What
this
size
one.
is it? Oh, you like that one? Oh, this is a twin XL. Let's see, queen.
Perfect.
Not too
What
much.
about this one?
Yeah, it's usually down further. Size 65 by 92. I think that's a queen too.
Let me see how the prices on this.
They want us to be surprised.
Just grab it just in case.
You like that one? Okie dokie. Okay, I think we're done with this quick trip.